Today we're going to make Granby's smash burger. I'm going to take 3 of these lovely patties here. We're going to put them on our plancha over our Santa Maria. We're just going to put a little bit of a weight on them, just kind of smash them down a little bit, add some really finely chopped onions, and then we're going to make a tower of the Granby smash burger.
One of the big no-nos I personally think with barbecue is using cheap briquettes. There's a lot of chemicals in them, and if you can smell the chemicals when you open the pack, you're going to taste the chemicals when you cook. Charcoal is very much an ingredient, so always try and find a good lumpwood charcoal, and it'll always say lumpwood charcoal on it.
So here's our finished product. As you can see, 3 lovely smash burgers, cheese, a little bit of bacon. One key tip, warm your bun. It's nice to have some nice warm bread there. We're going to put some raw onion in here. We're going to take some lovely pickle as well. And to finish off your burger, nothing says burger like sauce, so a little bit of hot spicy ketchup. A little bit of that cool mustard. And there we have it, the Granby triple stack smash burger.